So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset LG dishwasher, cancel drain reset and hard reset and error clean. So fast reset guide. Cancel drain reset for hold, start and cancel for 3 seconds. Hard reset, unplug or turn breaker off for 5 to 10 minutes. Error clean, drain, then power reset, then run short cycle. Cancel or drain reset, stop current cycle. Use this when the dishwasher is stuck mid-air or you want to restart washing. Press power to turn the dishwasher on, then press and hold start and cancel for about 3 seconds. The dishwasher will begin a drain cycle, usually 1 or 2 minutes. Wait until draining finishes and the machine turns idle. Select a new wash cycle and press start. This clears most temporary glitches and unfinished program. Second one is hard reset. Use this for frozen control, unresponsive buttons or random errors. Method 1. Quick power reset. Turn off the dishwasher using power, then unplug the power cord from the outlet. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. So the method second is circuit breaker reset. If the plug is not accessible, turn off the dishwasher breaker from your home electrical panel. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Turn the breaker back on. Restart the dishwasher. This clears electronic memory and control board glitches. Reset to clear error codes. Many LG dishwasher error clear automatically after a reset. Basic error clear steps. Perform a cancel or drain reset first. If the error remains, do a hard reset. Power off for 5 to 10 minutes. Restart and run a short test cycle. If error return, check water supply valve is open. Ensure drain hose isn't clogged or kinked. Clean filter at bottom of dishwasher. Check door close fully. Thank you.